Hello everybody, welcome to Weekend Dev Challenge by CodeChef. This is part 5 of Weekend Dev Challenge 18. Let's jump to the problem statement. So in the previous part, we had designed the UI for Emoji Translator. In this particular part, we'll be developing the backend. In the next part, we'll be storing that and retrieving using MongoDB. Now, in this part, we have to extend the project by building the backend for this Emoji Translator. We have to implement an API in server.js that accepts the text, convert the text into eligible emojis. With the dictionary mapping, we have a dictionary of emojis. It maps and then returns the result as JSON. Now, so let's jump into the code. So let's jump into the code. Again, we are using cors and express.json. Now, we have post. So basically, we are posting it to the backend, saying when somebody clicks on translate. In the previous part, we had seen translate. When somebody clicks on translate, it has to convert that body. If there is no text, then there is nothing. If there is text, then it splits the whatever text is there. It splits the spaces, and then we have a empty array that stores the translated words, whatever is translated. Now we look to each and every word and we check if that word is present in the word map. If that is present in the word map, that is emoji word map, then we push that emoji into the translated words. Or else, if it is not there, then we keep the original word, we push it to the translated words. For example, you can see there is, all right. So let me consider I love pizza. So there are emojis for love, that is heart, and pizza, there is an emoji, but there is no emoji for I. So the final answer would be like I heart pizza. So it would be something like that, just for an example. So that's it. And then we join all the translated words from this translated array, and then we display the result. So here we have the emoji dictionary. That is, we have some certain emojis, and then we have the dictionary. Now let me run the program. So I'll enter the same thing, whatever I told you. I love pizza. Translate. Alright, so this particular part ends here. Let me submit the program. So you can see all this happening in the backend, and I'm not displaying a result. In the next part, I'll be storing and retrieving the result as well. So let us see the problem. So let us wait for the test cases to pass. So as you can see, the test cases have passed. That means this program is correct. In the next part, we'll be retrieving the emojis as well. So that's it for this video. It's in the last part of this weekend. Thank you.